In 1896, Europe was dividing Africa like a map on a table. But one nation refused to be conquered, Ethiopia. Italy believed it could easily take control. They underestimated a united people and a determined emperor. Emperor Menelik II called on Ethiopians from every region. Farmers, warriors, nobles, thousands answered. Men and women marched for weeks, carrying rifles, spears, and supplies through mountains and valleys. On March 1, 1896, at a place called Adwa, the two forces met. Italy had modern weapons. But Ethiopia had numbers, strategy, and the will to defend their land. The battle was fierce. Gunfire echoed across the hills. Warriors charged. Commanders coordinated from mountain ridges. By the end of the day, the Italian army was defeated. Adwa became more than a battle. It became a symbol that Africa could resist and win. Ethiopia remained independent. And the victory at Adwa inspired freedom movements across the continent for generations. For more historical and educational video like this, hit the subscription button and please like, share, follow, comment and ask questions. Bye, see you on the next one.